How to hide last scene on Viber. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide the last scene feature in your Viber. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Viber app. After you've done that, head over to the bottom right corner that says More. Tap on it and now you will need to head over to Settings. Tap on Settings. Now after you're on your settings, you should see options such as account privacy, notification and so on. Head over to privacy, and after you're there you will see two specific features such as share online status and then send scene status. So for this for hiding your last scene, what you'll need to do is just turn this two of these off, and with that your last scene will not get shown to different people's. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can hide your last scene on Viber. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.